How's it going, guys? So here's a quick video showcasing our new wheels, the Vicrez wheels, Widebody 20x11s with a -2.5 offset, Redeye style, and they're available at vicrez.com. We have them in stock and ready to go, so make sure to get yours if you haven't already done so. And they look so damn good. And once again, we pretty much have the whole setup available at vicrez.com. The Widebody, part number BC1001488. The wheels, the vicrez, the Redeye spoiler, the rear louvers, the quarter louvers, the Hellcat bumper, and the wheels that just look so damn good, and they're extra beefy. So yeah, make sure to go over to vicrez.com, get all your mods for your mopars. And we'll have the video installation on our wheels pretty soon. We're gonna be showcasing all the 3 styles. Also, we're gonna have available the 50th anniversary, like the new wheels for the 2021s wide bodies, pretty soon at vicrez.com as well, so you guys can start pre-ordering those as well. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to go over our YouTube channel and subscribe if you haven't already done so, to stay up to date with our newest products. And we'll see you guys next time.